It's no secret that the majority of Earth's surface is covered by water. From our earliest school days, we've learned this basic fact. Yet the sheer magnitude of the Pacific Ocean often surprises us. To call the Pacific Ocean massive would be an understatement. It's truly colossal. Let's delve into the scale of this vast ocean. Imagine you're on a boat at coordinates near the coast of Chile and Peru. Now picture diving into a submarine and sinking all the way to the ocean floor. From there, if you could drill straight through the Earth and emerge on the other side, you'd still be in the Pacific Ocean, specifically in the Gulf of Tonkin near Vietnam and China. The Pacific is so immense that it encompasses several of its own antipodes, or points directly opposite on the globe, remaining within the same ocean. Some sections of the Pacific Ocean span over half of the planet's surface. The longest unbroken stretch of water runs between the islands of Indonesia and the coast of Colombia, stretching nearly 19,800 kilometers. This distance is so vast that you could fit the diameter of the moon, actually 5 moons, with room to spare. When viewing the Pacific Ocean from above, such as on Google Maps, it appears to cover nearly half of the Earth's surface. However, this is an illusion. Due to the spherical shape of our planet, we can never view a full half at once due to the curvature of the horizon. In reality, the Pacific Ocean covers approximately 1/3 of the Earth's surface, still an astonishingly large area. In a new perspective, the world can be divided into 2 hemispheres, the water hemisphere and the land hemisphere. The Pacific Ocean dominates the water hemisphere, which is predominantly covered by water, 89%, with a small portion of polar ice caps, 5%, and even less dry land, 6%. If you found yourself stranded in this oceanic half of the world, it would be a significant challenge to find land. For a numerical perspective, the Pacific Ocean spans 165.25 million square kilometers. To put that into context, the combined surface area of all Earth's continents, North and South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, Antarctica, and Greenland, is just 148 million square kilometers. Thus, you could fit every continent within the Pacific Ocean and still have millions of square kilometers of ocean left over. Consider Mars for another comparison. If you covered Mars' entire surface, its valleys, canyons, and craters, with the Pacific Ocean, you would completely submerge the planet. The Pacific Ocean is a staggering 20 million square kilometers larger than Mars.
But the Pacific Ocean's enormity isn't just horizontal.
It's
also vertical.
It's the deepest
of all Earth's oceans. The Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trench is the deepest known point in the world, plunging nearly 11 kilometers below the surface. Other deep trenches, like the Tonga Trench and the Philippine Trench, also reach depths of over 10 kilometers. On average, the Pacific Ocean is over 4,000 meters deep, making it more than 2,600 times deeper than a typical American swimming pool. With its immense size and depth, the Pacific Ocean holds about 710 million cubic kilometers of water, roughly 50% of the world's oceanic water. This puts into perspective the audacity of the ancient Polynesian explorers. They ventured into this vast, uncharted ocean, larger than all of Earth's continents combined and even larger than an entire planet, in search of new islands. By around the year 1200, the Polynesians had discovered virtually all the islands in the Pacific, starting from Taiwan. Many of these islands remain incredibly remote and challenging to access even today. For example, Honolulu in Hawaii is the most remote city with a population of over 100, situated 3,800 kilometers away from the next city of similar size, San Francisco. Easter Island is renowned as one of the most isolated inhabited islands, located over 2,000 kilometers from the nearest landmass Pitcairn Island. Itself, remote location. Easter Island is also over 2,600 kilometers from the nearest town, with over 500 residents on Mangareva and over 3,500 kilometers from the nearest continent, South America. Additionally, it hosts the world's most isolated airport, with the nearest major airport located over 3,700 kilometers away in Santiago. Despite its vastness, the Polynesians navigated and explored this immense ocean with remarkable skill. Their ability to traverse such a massive expanse with only canoes is a testament to their navigational prowess and daring spirit. Whether embarking on a grand journey or tackling personal goals, the journey starts with a single step. If you have a big project or passion you're considering, remember that beginning is often the hardest part. Just like the Polynesians, sometimes you have to set sail and see where the journey takes you.